Okay, question number 10 now. In the diagram on the right, POQ is a graph of y equals to 2 modulus of 2x. So POQ. So we look at POQ, it is actually from here to here, which is y can take positive 2x and also maybe negative 2x. Okay, so we have two equations here. So from very obvious from here, OQ is with positive gradient. So here from OQ will be y equals to 2x. But for OP will be negative of the gradient. That's why it will take negative 2x. Okay. So R is a point on OP here such that OR is the distance or the length with square root of 45 units, and O is the origin, and RS is perpendicular to OP. Okay, so it is making a right angle with OP. RS making a perpendicular to OP, and OR is parallel to TS. Okay, with this sign, OR parallel with TS. So find A, the first one, the coordinates of R, S, and T. So we start finding, okay, which one can be found first? So we look at the information given. We have OR here, and we have the equation of straight line OP. So sure we can form from these two information. Okay, we look at this R, actually it is from here will be our x value here. So the x will take negative value, and the y is from here. So the y will take positive value. So with the distance OR is for square root of 45, when we use the Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus y squared, okay, square root of this will equals to the distance. So OR actually is equals to x squared plus y squared. So it is given equals to square root of 45. So we simplify, we square everything, we square both sides. Okay, we obtain x squared plus y squared equals to 45. So this is our first equation, and from the second equation, y equals to negative 2x. So we can solve simultaneously, substitute 2 into the first one. Okay, so x squared is the same, but now we substitute y with negative 2x, y squared. So y squared, so equals to 45. Okay, so this negative 2x insert here. So we simplify, we get x squared plus 4x squared equals to 45. So 5x squared equals to 45, and x squared equals to 9. So x will take positive negative 3. So now we need to determine. Okay, we look at R. Is x must take negative value since it is at the left hand side of the x-axis. So we will take x is negative 3. Okay, then we need to find the value of y from equation number 2. So we substitute x equals to negative 3 into equation number 2. So y will become negative 2 times negative 3, then 6. So r will be negative 3 and 6 as the coordinates y. Okay, so settle R. Now we look at S. Okay, S, it is perpendicular to OP. So from OP we can get the gradient, since equation of OP is y equals to negative 2. Okay, for OP, the equation is y equals to negative 2x, means that the M1 is negative 2. Okay, but RS is perpendicular to OP, so RS will be taking M2, which is positive 1 over 2. Okay, so we can obtain the equation of RS now. Okay, we have coordinate of R, so y minus 6 on x minus 3, negative 3, okay, equals to 1 over 2. So y cross multiplication, we will take 2y minus 12 equals to x plus 3. So 2y equals to x, this one bring over will become plus 15. Okay, so this is the equation of RS. Okay, RS. We are asked to find coordinate of S. So from here, the coordinate of S is actually taking value of x equals to 0, and we want to find the value of y here. Okay, so when x equals to 0, 2y equals to 15, so y will be 15 over 2. So we obtain the coordinate of S. Okay, so this is 0 and 15 over 2. Okay, now the last point will be coordinates of t. Okay, this is the one. Coordinates of t. So since we have the equation of y equals to positive 2x, this one, and if we obtain the equation of st, then we can solve uh, simultaneously again. So gradient of st is also perpendicular to this. So gradient of st actually equals to gradient of OR. Okay, so and it is perpendicular to RS. So gradient of RS is 1 over 2, and it is parallel. So gradient of ST, it is same as this one, which is negative 2. Okay, so now we have the coordinates of S. From here we can get the equation of ST. So y minus 15 over 2 upon x minus 0 equals to negative 2. So y minus 15 over 2 equals to negative 2x. Okay. So y is negative 2x plus 15 over 2. So we need to solve it y equals to 2x. So y equals to 2x. Equation number 2. So now we substitute 2 into 1. So 2x equals to negative 2x plus 15 over 2. So 4x equals to 15 over 2, x equals to 15 over 8. Okay, from equation number 2, y will be 2 times x. So we obtain 15 over 4. So means that our coordinate of t will be 15 over 8 and 15 over 4. Okay, then for B, then B, the area of trapezium ORST. ORST, since we have obtained R, okay, O will be 0, 0, R will be negative 3, 6, then S is 0, 15 over 2. Finally, T is 15 over 8 and 15 over 4. So since this is a trapezium, so we are using the same formula. Okay, the area of trapezium will be, we start with the first one, okay, 0, 0, and then T, okay, I will do anti-clockwise. So 15 over 8, 15 over 4, then S is 0, 15 over 2, lastly negative 3 and 6. So don't forget we need to repeat the first one. Okay. So we start from the top one, so 0. So this one times this one with 15 over 8 times 15 over 2. So this is 0, this is 0. Okay, and then from the bottom we do minus. So this one 0, 0. So we have this minus 15 over 2 multiply with negative 3 and last one also 0. Okay, so from here the final answer of this will be 18 and 9 over 32 unit square.